Hello friends, welcome to Technique. This is Nirmal here, and in this video we're going to do a quick speed test comparison of the new Infinix Note 10 Pro with the Redmi Note 10s. Now these are two devices which comes with the Helio G95 chip, and they're priced closely as well. The Infinix Note 10 Pro comes with the Helio G95 8GB RAM and it's priced 16,999, while the Redmi Note 10s pricing starts at 14,999 for the base variant, and then for the 128GB storage variant it is priced 15,999. It also comes with the Helio G95 chip. So we're going to do a speed test comparison of these two devices. So you can see that we have just cleared off all the background apps. So let's just go to the about phone first. About phone. So you can see here this has MIUI 12.5 and Android 11. Now this has XOS and Android 11. This has 8GB RAM, while the Redmi Note 10 S comes with only 6GB RAM. So that's the difference here. Now apart from that, both are running on the Helio G95 chip. So let's actually start the speed test. So we'll be opening these 16 apps and then see which opens faster, and we'll also see the memory management, how these UIs perform in terms of retaining the apps in the memory. So before that, let's just clear off all the background apps. So there you go. Next setting, you can see here both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network, and both are in airplane mode. Let's turn off the Bluetooth here. So here you can see that it's turned off. So both are in airplane mode, and both are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. So again, same settings. So let's just clear off the background apps once again. So there you go. Now let's start the speed test. So first app would be Asphalt 9. So let's see how they perform in terms of gaming. So both have dedicated gaming options available. So both of them are enabled with the gaming option. So let's see which opens faster. So Infinix Note 10 Pro was slightly faster, very small margin, but it was slightly faster here. Next would be Temple Run. Once again, Infinix Note 10 Pro takes the lead. Play Store. Again, Note 10 Pro is faster. Browser. You can see that Note 10 Pro is faster. Facebook. Again, Note 10 Pro is faster. The Infinix Note 10 Pro is faster. Twitter. Again, Note 10 Pro was faster. Instagram. Again, Infinix is faster. Gaana. Once again, this is faster on the Infinix Note 10 Pro. So there an ad came up, but still it is faster. Amazon. Again, Note 10 Pro is faster. Flipkart. Once again, Infinix is faster. File Manager. Again, Infinix is faster. Settings. Again, Infinix is faster. YouTube. Here you can see that the Redmi Note 10s was faster. Gmail. Again, Infinix is faster. Camera. Again, Infinix is faster. And finally, Maps. Once again, Infinix is faster. So you can see that the Infinix Note 10 Pro was faster than the Redmi Note 10s. All the apps, almost all of them except for one app, everything was faster on the Infinix Note 10 Pro compared to the Redmi Note 10s. Both having the same chipset, but the difference only being the RAM. Now both of them have only one RAM variant, 8GB RAM versus 6GB RAM. Now next is the memory management. So let's see which all apps are retained in the memory and which all apps are reloaded. So let's go in the reverse order. Maps are retained. Camera is available. Gmail has been reloaded on the Redmi. YouTube again reloaded. Settings reloaded. You can see this is again reloaded on the Redmi. Flipkart is again reloaded on the Redmi, while Infinix has maintained all the apps till now. Amazon is once again reloaded on the Redmi. Gaana, once again I can see that it is being reloaded. So Instagram has been reloaded on both the devices. So the first app which has reloaded on the Infinix is Instagram. Twitter, again reloaded on both the devices. Facebook is available on the Infinix while it is reloaded on the Redmi. Browser has been reloaded on both the devices. Play Store again probably reloaded on both the devices. Temple Run, once again it has been reloaded on both the devices. Finally, Asphalt 9. So once again it has been reloaded. So you can see that in terms of memory management, neither of them are perfect. In fact, Infinix was slightly better than the Redmi Note 10s because Infinix Note 10 Pro was able to keep almost like 7 or 8 apps in the memory, while Redmi Note 10s was able to retain only 1 or 2 apps in the background, rest all were reloaded. So in terms of memory management, neither of them are perfect, but the winner would be the Infinix Note 10 Pro. So in terms of memory management and app opening, Infinix Note 10 Pro takes the lead, and it is better device in terms of overall performance of apps. So this was a quick speed test comparison of these two devices. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Do hit that like button and also hit the red subscribe button for more videos. Thanks for watching. Hope to see you in our next video. Have a great day.